If we have a look at our on-demand window, you can see here that I've got if I go into my teams, I have the option in here to show any number of teams in here. But what I can also do is I can select these groups and I can choose to add to an existing collection. And now I already have an existing collection here, so I could save those. I could also create a new collection at this point. If I say I'm going to select my other teams, and I'm going to say new collection. And in here, I can then give this collection a meaningful name, because if we've got thousands of teams and hundreds of collections, we want to make sure that the naming convention is correct. So I will just call this IT teams. The reasoning and the meaning behind a collection is to create a batch of files that we're going to migrate together. So if I then select my collection from in here, and you can see I've now got my IT teams, I can choose to select them, and I can then run my discovery process to understand what we've got inside of each of those individual teams. I can run my provisioning, and I can run my migration. Now, because they're part of a collection, I can again choose what happens to every single team as part of that migration. So I'm going to migrate everything here, and I can then choose to schedule this migration to run out of normal business hours. That is how we use collections within the Teams environment.